Hey y'all, this is Norm from Bear Bull Traders. It's October 17th, 2018. Wanted to do a quick recap today. Uh, it's been a little bit since I've done one, so I thought I'd put one out. Had a one and done day. You gotta love those. Anyway, on the watch list this morning, once again, a lot of pot stocks. Pot became legal in Canada last night. So buy the rumor, sell the news. They're selling off pretty hard, but they're so volatile, I don't really like to touch them. They freak me out a little bit. I prefer to trade stocks between 20 and $50 that move smoothly and have a lot of liquidity. Because of that, I had my eye, amongst other things, on AAL. So AAL gapped up about 4.5% this morning on a sympathy move because of, I believe, Delta earnings. Anyway, you can see the gap up here on the daily chart. It's taken a big fall recently. It seemed like it might be coiled to go up despite the market being off this morning. So had my eye on that. It looked like at the open it was going to continue up. So it had been up about 4.5%, and it spiked up this morning. But when this 5-minute chart exhibited this wick that it just, once it shot up above 35 and spiked, it shot down just as fast. Made me think it had a chance that it was going to be a good short. So the open, I kept my eye on it, waited the first 5 minutes, touched this moving average down here on the 1-minute chart, pulled back to VWAP. That's when I took a position once I saw it was not going to break through VWAP and continue its rise. So I took it long at 34.92. The low of pre-market I had right here around 34.44. So I had that level on my chart to begin with. My stop loss on this would have been just over 35, round number, or full number, and about 10 cents from VWAP. So if it were to get to full weight of my target at 34.44, it was about a 5-to-1 risk to reward, which I'll take that all day long. So you can see right there is my stop loss. Here is my 5-to-1 risk to reward. Anyway, so touched VWAP, took my position. It never came back. It started dropping pretty hard, had a little pullback. Took my first profit. That's one of the things that I've been dealing with recently, is waiting too long to take profit. So I took a 25% off right here in the mid 34.50s when it hit this 50 moving average on the 1-minute chart, and then it proceeded down, and I took my second right here where it hit that low of pre-market. I held it. I had moved my stop loss to break even at that point, or if it continued up, I probably would have taken it off a little early if it broke these and looked like it was really going to spike. But luckily it didn't happen. It tested this moving average again, continued down, and then once it started getting through there, I started getting getting a little wicky in here. So I took another portion off in the mid 34.30s. And then once it crossed this moving average, I took one more. And once it exhibited that it was not going to continue going down and break lower at 34.20ish, I took the rest off. So P&L was good for the day. I was happy with it based on the share size I'm trading. And I spent less than 2% of that in commissions. So anyway, all around a good day. You can go about and do something fun, or watch the markets, or chat in the room. So thanks for watching. Trade safe. Bye.